Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not a product review, but a first impressions of the Doctor Sensitive Pore Purifying and Sebum Control Pink Clay Mask. So if you guys are interested to know what I think about this and how to use this product, keep on watching. And if you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Alice. I'm a content creator. I make a lot of beauty and lifestyle based videos. So if you guys are into that, you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that I upload. Okay guys, so totoo lang, marami na akong friends na nakatry nito, and I am very interested to know more about this. So this is just gonna be a first impression since this is the first time I'm gonna be using this. Okay, so a little gist about the Doctor Sensitive Pore Purifying and Sebum Control Pink Clay Mask. Its main goal is basically to do a deep cleanse on your face and to take out, you know, excess oil, and also it would draw out pore clogging, dirt, and impurities, and it would brighten your skin. Magkano ba ito? This is only 29 pesos. As far as I can see sa Beauty MNL, I think it's also 29 at Watson's. So this is a sachet, 15 grams lang siya. So I think this is a great deal if you want to try out like clay mask. Okay, so how do you use this? Basically, you cleanse your face, you apply generous amounts all over your face or where you need it the most, like on the T-zone or on your cheeks, somewhere that you're oily, okay? And then leave it on until it's dry, and then you rinse it off with warm water in a gentle circular motion. So it's like a exfoliating scrub and the mask at the same time. So ako kasi, talagang nilalagay ko siya sa ibabaw para kung kailangan ko, diba, madali na lang siyang makuha. And the cap actually is like this. You can reuse this, okay? Hindi siya isang gamitan, which is cool. And it's a pink, wait, yeah, hindi naman siya pink na pink, more of like bubblegum pink lang, and it's quite thick honey, so I think a little bit goes a long way with this. So this is what it looks like. So ilagay na natin siya. So my problem area talaga is T-zone tsaka itong cheeks ko, so dito ako mag-focus. It has a little bit of a scent though. Ayan. Usually, ito na lang. Ito, tsaka ito lang yung nilalagyan ko pag nagki-clay mask ako. Pero, sige na. Lagyan natin sa buong mukha. And by the way, yung kinuha ko, tama na siya for my whole face. Tignan nyo, oh. Natatakpan siya. Hindi naman sinabing even amount. Kasi generous daw. This is what it looks like. Para siyang ano, yung amoy niya parang, I can't describe it. It's a little floral na, it reminds me of a certain product. I don't remember the name of it, but I've had a scent of this before. I'm not sure though. Okay. Wag na tayo magtipid. So application is quite easy. The component is, you know, nice. You can actually use this more than once. It is suggested you use this 2 to 3 times a week. So, kung very oily ka, siguro 3 times a week pwede na. And, the mask actually dries up quite fast. Kasi sabi nila, just use the product until the product actually dries up quite fast. Kasi naramdaman ko na siya mag-dry. And then, sabi, sa instructions, leave it on until it dries completely, and then wash it off. So, okay, dadagdagan ko pa dito sa bandang chin kasi, ayan o, bitin. Ayan. Again, avoid the eye and the mouth area. It's not really that pink on camera. So, parang itsura lang niya. Pero, hindi talaga siya pink, guys. So, to lang. And then this one is for here. So, you can still use it. So, I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then wash it off. And then, I'll get back to you guys with the initial reaction. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I've already rinsed off the clay mask from my face, and as you can see, mas brighter talaga siya compared kanina. Although I did wash my face prior to filming, like, dude, it feels nice. Okay, the clay mask actually does not have any like tightening sensation. Before, I was really a big fan of that. Na gusto ko talaga yung may tightening, but oddly enough, this does not have any like tightening sensation whatsoever. And I actually thought, first of all, that when I'm gonna wash it off, it's gonna feel gritty since it's clay mask. Pero medyo makapal naman yung nilagay ko. It didn't felt gritty at all, and it actually felt really nice. It's a very gentle exfoliation for sure. It actually felt more like I'm, you know, washing off some cream I have in my face, which is oddly enough really nice to feel, to be honest with you. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes since I washed off my face. Usually kasi within 5 to 10 minutes, medyo oily agad ako. Mabilis ako mag-oil up. But for girls like me who are acne prone and oily talaga yung face, it does take about 10 to 15 to 30 minutes. Pero ito 5 minutes. Kasi sobrang bright ng mukha ko. Hindi ako sanay. Titignan ko sa monitor. Medyo, Moms, may bago ata tayong favorite product. Oh my god. So, this is not a full review, but I will make a full review once I notice, like, if it did some changes. But, you can honestly see it brightens up your face immediately. So, siguro for morena skin, hindi siya papaputi, for sure. It's more of a brightening effect. So, if you feel like your skin is a bit dull, you need to brighten it up. This is a great product for you. And especially kung oily ka, it actually lessens the oil. Like, girl, my skin feels so nice right now. It actually feels really nice. It's really soft and supple. It's like nag-exfoliate ako, but not feeling the gritty exfoliating scrubs that I use. So, since first impressions naman to, I will have to tell you guys that I do like this product right now. I will put an update maybe on the comment section or on my social media about this clay mask. Like, honestly, I'm impressed. Okay, Dr. Sensitive, I'm impressed. But we will have to check about the oil control factor and the sebum control, the pore purifying, because I'm gonna show you my pores right now. They're there, okay? They are there. So, let's see if it really works. So, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Honestly, guys, this is one of those videos that I'm not really sure how to attack, but let me know what you think of this video on the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends, and also follow me on my social networking accounts if you want to have a chat. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So, your girl has to go now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!